Is your Facebook page monetized, but you still haven't connected your bank account to your Facebook page, right? Then don't skip this video, because without completing your Facebook payout setup, you won't get any payments from your Facebook page. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to add your bank account to your Facebook page easily. And I will also show you a step-by-step process. So if you really want to learn how to do that, then please watch my full video carefully. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So for adding your bank account to your Facebook page, just open your Facebook page and then go to this profile icon. Then click here professional dashboard. And after that, you can see there are monetize options. So let me click this one. And first of all, you can see in there your payout wasn't set up, so you lost earnings for Facebook content monetization. Set it up to earn again. So right now I need to click here monetize, and after that you can see I have $42, so I can click here setup. And if you don't find it from there, you can see in there content monetization. You can also see your earnings, and after that just get back from here and let me show you. If you don't find it from here, I mean in monetization section, then just come to this home page, and after that in the bottom you can see other tools. So let me click this one. Then you can see payout, so let me click this one. And you can also see your earnings from Facebook Star expired, so you can finish setup. So let me get back from here and again go to monetize this option. Then click here this my setup option, and after that set up payout account for Facebook content monetization. So you need to give here your legal first name and legal surname, date of birth, and your country. Okay, and remember one thing, you give exactly your bank account name. Suppose my bank account name is MD Saiful Islam, so I need to give that same name in here. Okay, so after fill up this information, just click here next option, and then enter business information. So you can see in their country, so you need to select here your country, and after that just choose your country. Okay, and then business type. So let me click this one. Actually I already fill up this, so it's automatically done. So you need to choose your individual, this option, first one, and then click here next option. And right now you can see your legal first name, legal middle name, and legal surname. So primary address, so you need to give here that primary address properly, and then give here your town, then country, and your postcode, and after that you need to give here your phone number. So I already give that, and after that it asks your email address, so you should give your email address, and then tax identification number, I mean TIN certificate number. So I need to give my this TIN certificate in here. So let me collect my TIN. So after giving here your TIN number, just check this box, and after that click here next option. And right now you can see choose how you'd like to get paid, and manually link bank account and PayPal account. So if you have PayPal account, that time you can select here your PayPal account. So for that you need at least $25. And one more thing, if you don't find this option, I mean connect payout method, let me share with you something. So you can see Facebook unlocks the bank add option for your payout account only after your earnings reach the minimum threshold, which is typically $25 for most digital payout methods. So if you only have $25, after that you can add bank account. You can see no need to panic. If you just got approved for monetization and cannot find where to add your bank account info, it means your balance is still below $25. So make sure you have $25 in your Facebook page. So let me go to that option. So I need to add my bank account. So let me click the first one, and then bank country, bank account holder name, and then I need to collect my SWIFT code. So I need to go to Google and let me write here my bank, suppose Islami Bank Bangladesh Limited. SWIFT code. So you can see this is actually main SWIFT code, which is IBBL BDDS. So you need to search your bank SWIFT code in Google. So let me copy that SWIFT code, and after that let me paste it in here, and then bank account number and confirm bank account number. So let me give my that bank account number in here. So after giving here your bank account number, just click here connect payout method, this option. So right now I need to add my tax information in here. So let me click here tax information, and after that let me click here continue. Again click here continue, and then you can see what is your tax classification. So it's individual, and then select are you US citizen and US permanent resident. So I'll select here no, then select here no again in the bottom, then click here next option, then select here country of citizenship. So I'm from Bangladesh, so let me select that one, and after that let me select here next option again. Then there is your everything, then click here next option again, then next option again, then 0%, then next option, and after that select here country resident. So select here Bangladesh again, and after that you can say you are eligible for treaty benefits on your royalty payment. So let me click here next option again, and then select this checkbox, and after that signature type your full name. So let me write my full name, and after that let me click on next option again. So there are lots of things you can read. And right now if you have any doubt, that time you can click on make change, otherwise you can select here submit form. So it's done. So let me click here done option. So successfully added payout account. Okay, so that's it guys. So from next time you will get your payment whenever your threshold will be filled. I mean if you have $100, that time you can get payment. So thank you so much for watching this video.